Hi viewers, let's now understand the kinetic theory of matter and matter itself. Now, matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has mass. Examples include everything in the universe. There are three basic units of matter, but before I mention them, I would like you to clarify one important thing, that is states and basic units. One thing most students don't understand is that when you are talking about states of matter, we are referring to solid, liquid, and gas. And when you are talking about units, we are referring to atoms, molecules, and ions. An atom is defined as the smallest particle of an element. An ion is a charged particle. Most things that contain molecules are ionic bonds. For example, sodium chloride, which contains positively charged sodium ions represented as sodium to the power 1 positive, because it loses electrons, and negatively charged chloride ion represented by chlorine to the power -1. Molecules are substances formed when two or more nonmetals combine together. For example, water. Solid. One state of matter is known to be incompressible due to the fact that its particles are closely packed. Its particles do not move, but rather only vibrate about their fixed positions. They also have a fixed shape and volume. Liquids, being the second state of matter, is slightly compressible because its particles are not very closely packed. Its particles slide past each other. It has a fixed shape but no fixed volume. Did you know that we have the fourth state of matter? Yes, plasma. It's not found on the Earth but makes up 90% of the universe. It's used to generate electricity. There are 6 changes of states of matter. But before that, you have to understand the difference between endothermic and exothermic reaction. An endothermic reaction takes in heat energy, and examples include all changes of state from solid to gas. An exothermic reaction releases a lot of energy or heat. Examples include all changes of state from gas to solid. We have evaporation, melting, freezing, condensation, sublimation, and deposition. The change of state from solid to liquid is called melting, and it happens because solid particles gain enough kinetic energy and begin to move more. The point at which a solid changes to a liquid is called the melting point. The change of state from liquid to gas is called evaporation. This is also due to heat received, causing its particles to gain more kinetic energy to escape into the atmosphere. The point at which a liquid changes into a gas is called the evaporation point. The change of state from solid direct to gas is called sublimation, while the change of state from gas direct to solid is called deposition. The change of state from liquid to solid is called freezing, while the change of state from gas to liquid is called condensation. Thank you, and that's all for this lesson.